Dear students, in last lecture we are discussing about the organ culture, in which we are discussing the leaf culture, root culture, shoot culture, meristem cultures, flower culture, uh, then ovule culture, ovary cultures, and so on. In today's lecture, we are discussing about the anther culture and pollen culture. What is the anther? Anther is the male reproductive part. A typical anther is a cross sections shows a two anther lobe. This is the two anther lobes, and each lobe possesses a two pollen sac. This possesses the two pollen sac, and during the microsporogenesis, pollen mother cells inside the pollen sac form a pollen tetrads by a meiosis. In each pollen tetrads, four pollens are held together temporarily by their cellulose wall. Pollens separate as a discrete unit by the dissolution of a cellulose wall, and each pollen possesses an unique genome where every gene is present as a single copy. Basic terminology of the anther and pollen. Anther is this is the anther, and anther is attached with the filaments, and this anther is the male reproductive organ, and this organ contains a diploid in a chromosome numbers, and these are the pollens present in a anthers. Pollens is a powdery substance. It consists of pollen grains, which are the main microgametophytes of the seed plants. Then anther culture means it is the technique by which the developing anthers at a precise and critical stage are exercised aseptically from unopened flower buds and are cultured on a nutrient medium where the microspores within the cultured anther develop into a plantlets either through organogenesis or embryogenesis. This technique is called as anther culture. Then second technique is pollen or the microspore culture. It is an in vitro techniques by which the pollen grains, preferably at a uninucleated stage, are squeezed out aseptically from the intact anther and then cultured on a nutrient medium where the microspores, without producing male gametes, develop into a haploid embryo or a callus tissue that gives rise to haploid plants by embryogenesis or organogenesis. Through anther culture, we get the haploid plants or the single chromosome number. What is androgenesis? Androgenesis is the in vitro development of haploid plants originating from the totipotent pollen grains through a series of cell division and differentiation. Androgenesis, it is the stamen or the male reproductive part. This is the microsporogenesis or the pollen grains, and outer whole structure is called as a anther, and anther is attached with the filaments. Then history of the anther culture. Chulecki in the year 1953 first observed the mature pollen grain in a Ginkgo biloba can be induced to proliferate in a culture to form a haploid callus. Guha and Maheshwari in the year 1964 is the direct development of embryo from the pollen grain of Datura by culture of excised anther. Guha and Maheshwari is the first Indian scientist to develop the haploids in Datura. J.P. Borgin and J.P. Niche in the year 1967 obtained the complete haploid plantlets from the anther culture of Nicotiana tabacum means a tabacum plants. During the last decades, anther culture of a rice, wheat, maize, brassica, pepper and so many species done the haploid reproduction or the haploid cultures. Modes of androgenesis, which are the different modes of the androgenesis. First one is the direct androgenesis and second one is the indirect androgenesis. Direct androgenesis, in this type the microspore behaves like a zygote and undergoes the changes to form a embryoids and which ultimately gives rise to a plantlet. And in indirect androgenesis, in contrast to the direct androgenesis, the microspore instead of undergoing embryogenesis dividing repeatedly to form a callus tissues which differentiates into a haploid plantlets. Then principle of anther culture is, the principle behind the anther culture is that without disturbing the natural habitat, the environment of the enclosed anther pollen can be grown by culturing the intact anther. The haploid embryos or the callus tissue can be seen the anther dehiscence in the cultures. This is the principle of anther culture. Then protocol for the anther culture is, first collate the flower buds of any crop, like you take a Nicotiana tabacum means a tabacum flowers. Normally 3 to 4 months old plants flowers are selected. Measure the length of the each individuals with the centimeter and select the flower buds of 70 to 22 mm in a length. When the length of the sepals equals that of the petals, then transfer the selected buds flowers to the laminar. Then this is the selected buds and transfer to the laminar. Then each flower bud contains the 5 anthers and these are normally surface sterilized in a closed buds, and the flower buds are surface sterilized by the immersion of the 70% ethanol for the 10 seconds, followed immediately by 10 minutes in a 2% solution of the sodium hypochlorite, and they are washed 3 times with a sterile distilled water. Finally transfer the buds to the sterile petri plates. Then in a lamina you give the surface sterilization, then wash the chemical with the distilled water and then keep your buds in a petri plates. Then to remove the anther, slice the side of the buds with the sharp scalpel and remove outer covering with the help of pair of forceps and place the 5 anthers with the filaments to the anther petri plates. Remove the 5 stamens or the anthers. During the excision of the anthers, special care should be taken to ensure that they are not injured in any way. Then anthers are placed on a then again filaments are the separated and then place on this anthers on a culturing media or the solidified media. It is the MS media or white media or the niche media. You take any type of media for culturing your anthers. The cultures are kept initially in a dark medium. After 3 to 4 weeks, the anthers normally undergoes the pollen embryogenesis and haploid plantlets appears from the cultured anthers. In some cases, anthers may be undergo proliferation. This organogenesis, proliferation. To form a callus. Proliferation means to form a callus and which can be induced to differentiate into the haploid plants. At this stage, the cultures are incubated at the 24 to 28 degrees centigrade in a 14 hours. Light is required approximate 2000 lux meter. Approximately 50 mm tall plantlets are free from agar by gently washing with the running tap water and then transferred to the small pots containing the autoclave potting compost, and it is a cover each plantlet with the glass beaker to prevent the desiccation and maintenance in the well lit humid greenhouses. After 1 week, remove the glass beakers and transfer to the large pot, and when the plants will mature and finally flower. Then next is a protocol for the pollen culture. Then first you select the suitable unopened flower bud and sterilized with the surface sterilized. Then this exercise, the anther without filaments are the same as described previously in a anther culture. Above 50 anthers are placed in a small sterile beakers containing 20 ml of liquid base, and it contains the MS medium, and the anthers are then pressed against the side of the beakers with the sterile glass pistols of the syringe to squeeze out the pollens. The homogenized anthers are then filtered through the nylon sieves, and then to remove the anther tissue debris. The filtrate or the pollen suspension is then centrifuged. This is the filtrate or the pollen suspension are centrifuged 500 to 800 revolution per minute, means RPM, for 5 minutes. The supernatant containing fine debris is discarded and the pellets of the pollen is suspended in a fresh liquid medium and washed twice by a repeated centrifugation and resolutions in a fresh liquid medium. Pollens are mixed finally with these pollens pellets, and these pollens are finally measured a volume of liquid based medium, so that it makes the density of 10 raised to 3 or the 10 raised to 4 pollens per ml. Then 2.5 ml of pollen suspension is pipetted out of and is separate in a 5 centimeter petri plates. Means it is you take a 5 ml of 2.5 ml of pollen suspension and pour into the petri plate, 5 centimeter petri plates. Then pollens are best grown in a liquid medium, but if necessary they can be grown by plating in a very soft agar added medium, and each dish is sealed with the sellotape to avoid the dehydration. Then these petri dish are incubated at a 27 to 30 degrees centigrade under the low intensity of the white cool light, means the 500 lux meter for the 16 hours. Then young embryos can be observed after the 30 days. Then the embryos ultimately gives rise to the haploid plantlets. Haploid plants are then incubated at the 27 degrees centigrade in a 16 hours. Then daylight resume at the about 2000 lux meter, and plantlets at maturity are transferred to the soil as described in the anther culture. Then advantages of pollen cultures over the anther cultures. Overcrowding of the pollen grains in an anther is eliminated, and isolated pollen grains are equally exposed to the nutrient medium. Then unwanted growth of the anther wall and other associated tissues are eliminated. The stages of an androgenesis can be observed starting from the single cell. Then various factors governing androgenesis can be better regulated. Then pollen is ideal for the uptake, transformation and mutagenic studies, as pollens can be uniformly exposed to chemical and physical mutagen. Pollen may be directly transferred into an embryoid, so it is very suitable for understanding biochemistry and physiology of androgenesis. Then higher yield of the haploid plants per anther could be expected in a pollen culture than the anther culture. Then disadvantages of pollen culture is isolated microspores culture requires better equipments and higher skill. Second one is the viability and desiccations of the isolated microspores are crucial factors to be considered. Then third one is the yields are variable, and in some cases almost every microspores in a cultures produce embryoids, and in some cases none of them had show a response. Thank you so much for today's lectures, and remaining part of this topic we are discussing in a next lectures. Thank you.